We've seen how affiliate marketing works, but what we haven't addressed yet is the precise mechanics and how understanding this can help you be more effective at your job. What happens, for example, when someone clicks on one of your affiliate links? The answer is cookies. No, not those kind of cookies. Cookies are small files that get saved on the computer and are handled by your browser. Websites can store cookies and then look for them, and they use this to keep you logged into Facebook or to show you relevant adverts based on your browsing history. When a buyer clicks on your link, they get sent to the checkout page for a specific product. At the same time, though, a cookie will be stored on their computer which will identify them as having been referred by you. This means that when they make a purchase, the profits can be allocated to you. Understanding this is important because it introduces a potential risk that people will see what you're selling and navigate there of their own accord. This is called link bypassing, and it's worth your while to prevent this using link cloaking. This means using a redirect to send people to your affiliate link while hiding the URL from them. You can do this using this simple piece of code. Alternatively, you can use something like tinyURL, which you can find here at tinyurl.com, or bit.ly, which you can find here at bit.ly.com. It's also worth doing a little research into the affiliate scheme that you're going to be working with. That's because the creator of a cookie also gets to set the lifespan. A cookie can last a few minutes, or it can last until the user actively chooses to delete their cookies or change his computer. Of course, it's much better for you to have an affiliate scheme with cookies that don't expire at all. Amazon has a session limited cookie scheme, for instance, that only lasts 24 hours. That's actually pretty good in this case, though, considering that people already know about Amazon and you can make money from other things that people buy from the site that day. What's also key to note is whether a subsequent affiliate can override your cookie. This becomes relevant if someone should click on your affiliate link, not make a purchase, then click someone else's affiliate link and buy. Who gets the money? Well, this depends on whether the affiliate honors the first click or the last click. If you're a lifetime referrer, then you will always be given credit for the referral, regardless of what else happens subsequently.